So we made it to Slowlife. I thought I'd do the intro next to this beautiful 32. I don't know the owner, but it looks amazing. I'm very, very impressed by it. But we're just going to go have a look around and see some cars and meet some people. Should be some good times, so we'll get to it. We have some beautiful 31s behind us. These are some of the owners here. So we got Sam's, Ben's, not too sure, Indies, but they all look fantastic as usual. And we did a video on Sam's, so you should check it out. Maha FCRX7 come back. So we've got Subi Crew here, looking good. Super Blue is so nice. Actually quite a few. Beautiful FDRX7s.
What do you like?
The Golfs. These are R32s, but they're not the Skylines. But just because they have R32 in the name, it makes it kind of cool. But not only kind of cool, they are cool cars because they're bloody quick. Like they're very, I don't know the codes too much and the trim levels, but the R32 of that model is very up there. It's definitely one of the best, if not the best. And this one looks mint. I love it. It's a two-door, so what's not to love?
We approve.
Plenty of time.
Can't remember if they both have one side, or if
Good.
one has one side and the other has the other.
Like no one puts a SS plates or R plates on a Corolla.
STV. Alright, we're getting coffee now because it's very cold, so get some coffee into you.
Looks good.
Yeah, man. That's a very nice colour MR2. We have a nice Nissan March. These are turbocharged and supercharged, which is pretty cool. It's got a very nice paint job and cool colour scheme with the yellow. Definitely approved. Wow, we spotted some people. I know you. That's great. I do. I'm working on it. Nice car, mate. Yeah, thanks, mate.
It's pretty nice.
And then nice.
Run me over.
So nice. I want them all. Very nice S14. It's got the premium plates. Yeah,
Sensing at least